Welcome back to the Thinker, everyone. We are super pleased to, today. We've been asked by Geleipu to review and test this new lithium iron phosphate battery. As opposed to lithium ion, it's lithium iron. It's the latest in battery technology and battery chemistry. Geleipu are committed to being the world leaders in supply of batteries, supplying super safe, super reliable, high quality, high performance batteries to meet modern day requirements. This particular battery is 25.6 volts, 200 amp, delivering a staggering 5,120 watt hours of power. That's absolutely amazing. And unlike traditional lead acid batteries, you can discharge these down to 0% or 100% depth of discharge. Traditional lead acid batteries you can only discharge down to 50% without destroying them. And on that basis, discharging it fully every single day, it's guaranteed to deliver 4,000 cycles, which is well over 10 years. And as an example, if you only discharge them down to 60%, use 40% of its capacity, they can deliver a staggering 15,000 cycles. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this to its paces to power our backup system that we just installed recently. So what does it do? It's got its own BMS built in, which is a battery management system. Basically you set the parameters on the charger, everything's in this little booklet that comes with it, and it kind of takes care of itself. It's protected against overcurrent, over discharge, overcharging, over temperature, a myriad of things, so you don't even have to worry about them. That's another beauty of LFP batteries. You don't have to, the maintenance free, you don't really have to do anything to them at all. It'll deliver 100 amps at any one time, which will give you 2.5 kilowatts of power, drawing down from it, which is a massive amount, to be honest. And to top it all, it's guaranteed for 4,000 cycles or 10 years. So, and even after that period, after the guarantee expires, generally these batteries will still have 80% of the capacity after that time, but you get a 10-year guarantee with that. The other advantage of LFP batteries is the weight. This weighs 33 kilos. A similar sized lead acid battery will be more than double that, so they're much easier to move around. If you're using them in a camper van or whatever such thing, you're not carrying massive weighty batteries around with you. You can get smaller ones to suit your needs as well. And then say compared to the traditional AGM batteries and stuff, they weigh pretty much nothing. If 5 kilowatt hours isn't enough for you, you can actually, they're expandable. You can join 8 of these together, various configurations, to give you just under 41 kilowatt hours of power with a 41 kilowatt load. So if one's not enough, then you can just add another more onto them to get even more. Absolutely staggering, absolutely fantastic. So there we go. So whether you can use these in domestic applications like we're about to do, RVs, perfect, trolling motors on boats themselves, anywhere where you want an enormous amount of power and a flexible amount of power to run your solar system. So we're going to connect this up now, put it through its paces, and get our solar system powered by it. It weighs just less than a 6-month-old masting puppy. So here we go, it's in. The other thing with LFP batteries as well is the speed of the charging. You just charge them up to full and then stick them on float. Unlike, again, AGM batteries or lead acid batteries, where they've got to go through a boost process and then hours and hours of charging to get them back up to the level. You've got to charge them fully every day. These, it doesn't matter if you don't as well. Simple to connect. You get 2 little connectors on the positive and negative terminals. Just simply take your old battery out and put your new one in. So there we go, easy as that, 2 connections. All these wires are going to be tidied up in a bit when we do the rest of this room, don't worry about that. But it's on. It was showing 26.7 volts as delivered, which is pretty good. You can probably start using it straight away. It's on charge now. It's showing 27.4 and there's 35 amps going into it, so we're good to go, I think. By the way, although it's 25.6 volts the battery, full charge on them, float charge is around 28 volts. I'm just going to go through the exact specifications for this battery now and set up my charger to deliver exactly what it will be asking for. Well, fab, the battery's been in for a few days now. It's powering everything and hardly discharging it, such is the fantastic power of it, and it's charged up. Well, it's 11 o'clock now and it's fully charged already in just a few hours of sunshine, given also that we're probably under panelled for what it takes, for what it should have. But yeah, it's doing a fantastic job. So, and the best news of all is, if you order through the link I'll put in, go to geleipu.com, I'll put it all in the description, enter the code on checkout Finca5 and get a 5% discount. It's got free shipping, the awesome battery made of high quality, the best quality grade A cells. You won't be disappointed. We can highly recommend it. So thanks for watching, and grab yourself a super LFP Geleipu battery.